Okay, let's do this. They have no idea how much easier their lives are going to be. Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm the Director of Corporate Services here at Deel. I was sick of the compliance nightmares. I wanted a platform that brought it all together. What I love about the Deel entity management system is how powerful it is, how simple it is. It takes all the chaos out of the governance of all of these entities. The headache of keeping track of directors, officers, power of attorney, delegations of authority, registered addresses, when you've got multiple jurisdictions from Singapore to Japan to Kuwait, is a nightmare. With Deel's system, I have it all in one place. I know who the directors are of those entities, I know what powers they have, and I know that lease is going to run out in April next year. So the compliance calendar is a game changer for me. I know that all of the country-specific events that I have to do are there. With the corporate chart on our entity management system, it pulls from the data directly, so it's always accurate, it's always live, and reflects the true corporate footprint of our Deel estate and our clients. The audit trail is really important. I want to be able to see who's made changes, not that they've just been made. I want to see who made them, when they made them, and the supporting documents behind them. Having a single source of truth across all of my operations is vital for me. It saves me so much time. I don't have to swap systems, I don't have to remember passwords, it's all on the platform. I can move seamlessly from payroll to contractors to EOR to the entity to shareholders to ultimate beneficial owners. It's all there and it's really simple to use.